Make money on TikTok uploading videos. These videos don't literally need to be exactly from you or your face in it or something. It's just I'm just going to teach you how so many persons have made a whole lot of money just uploading videos on TikTok. All right, and I'm going to show you the proof that it works. It literally works. All right, so first of all, what you have to do is download TikTok. If you don't have TikTok, just go to your Play Store or iOS store and download TikTok on your phone. Literally, I'm going to reduce the volume and okay. So guys, I'm gonna reduce this the volume of this my phone so that you can see you can upload videos literally on anything, and you don't have to customize. You don't have it doesn't have to be your content, because I know most persons are really not really that good on camera, because they don't really like camera. That's if you like me. Most of the time, like most people don't like camera, they don't like camera. So it doesn't stop you from getting involved and making money from the system that most persons are taking advantage on. All right, so we're just going to go through some people's profile. You look at this profile here. This person calls himself Mr. Savage 88, and you can see literally all the videos uploaded here has nothing to do with him. All right, so these are just literally savage videos from online, and you can see how many followers this person got. 129.2k followers. Wow, that's pretty much okay. That's really pretty much. So if you all right, so this is 128k followers this person got. All right, so to see if this really worked, I've not been a very serious TikToker for a while. All right, and that's because I've not had the time. All right, before now, before now I've uploaded few personal videos. Okay, few personal videos starting from here to this point here. Okay, from here to here. All right, this is where I stopped uploading personal videos. Okay, this particular one here, this one here was a reaction video. This one was just video on another thing, all right. So let's just say my personal videos stopped here, and at this point here I was having a number of about 30 persons following me. All right, so I got this strategy, and I just decided to upload videos on something else. And look at, I started here. You can see the video literally got much views, and this videos was just about motivation, and from here to this point. And the same day I uploaded, look at this particular one. This one already have about 7,000 views already. And the moment I uploaded that videos, the same day, exactly the same day, the followers jumped all the way from 30 to all the way to 78 within 24 hours, within 48 hours rather. And what I literally do is I upload, to grow. Typically on TikTok you have to it's not like YouTube that you have to upload once in a day or once in a week. No, if you have to grow on the TikTok, you have to upload videos about 3 to 4 times a day, at least 3 to 4 times a day, which means if you are uploading about 3 times in 7 days, that means literally every single week you'll be uploading about 21 videos. All right, which is pretty nice. So you might be asking, where do I get most of these videos? How do I get these videos to upload? All right, so if you want to be serious, if you gotta be serious with this business, you gotta be serious. All right, and you have to keep up the motivation and just do it, at least for give yourself a 1 month trial and see how far you can go, or 2 months or 3 months, and see how far you can go with it, because definitely it's going to pay off afterward. All right, so look at this now. You can choose motivation channel. All right, the first set of video I uploaded was motivation, and then the other, you can choose comedy. Okay, a lot of person like motivation, they like something that keep them up, that keep them doing what they want to do. And then the next one is what do they call it, motivation, comedy, skills, savage, or just a lifestyle videos, or movies, maybe American movies or Nigerian movies or whatever, Indian movies. All right, and what I'm saying here is, you're not just uploading an entire movie. No, you're uploading the most interesting part of them. When it comes to motivation, TikTok, the minimum rate you can upload video, that the minimum time frame is about 60 seconds, which is about 1 minute. So most of the video is about 13 minutes, and that's the reason why you can see some of the videos. Like if you go through some people's profile, like let me use mine for example, that video is literally 12 minutes. So we upload first minute, second minute, third minute, fourth minute. All right, so which means one video can literally help cover 2 days. That's if you're uploading at least 3 contents a day, which is for you to grow on TikTok is what should be done. At least you should upload at least 3 content a day. That's at least 3 videos a day. So that's if you literally want to grow. All right, so if you check most of the profiles, let's say this, so let's check out this one, this one, phone review. Let's check out this one. Okay, this one is just random videos. All right, this is just random videos. Okay, you can see that. And let me run this one for this one. All right, so if you scroll through TikTok, you see a lot of random videos like that, and I must tell you, they are really interesting, and a lot of person like them. Some you can upload them and just react to them, and this is how you get these videos. If you want to do this really, you go to YouTube. And then let's say you want to upload like motivation videos. Now what you just have to do when you get to YouTube is to type motivation or motivation for success, and then anyone you like, you just grab one of them. When you grab one of the videos, download it. And if you don't know how to download video from YouTube, I believe you have to use Save from Net to download it. And once you are done downloading it, then just go on back onto TikTok, and then just click here, and then click upload. The video will be shown, and then you click on the videos, and then you upload. It's just as simple as that. All right, and do that multiple times daily, like at least 3 times, then you will really get successful in this. So those of you that are already a good TikToker, if you have about above 10k followers on TikTok, kudos to you. Share your comment and help some other persons grow, because that's what we are doing. We go higher by lifting others. So just thank you for watching my videos. I hope by now you're already subscribed to my channel. It's very important. I share some amazing tips to you. So just make sure you're subscribed to my channel, Okay, and like this video, comment, shares, and that helps a lot in growing the video and YouTube channel. Make sure that you share, which is very much important. Thank you.